Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Growth English podcast. I'm Janny, and I'm really happy you're spending a bit of your weekend with us today.
And I'm David. We hope you're having a calm, relaxing moment wherever you're listening from. It's Friday, and that usually feels like a little gift after a busy week, doesn't it?
Exactly. Fridays are always different. Even when the week is stressful, Friday seems to lighten everything. What about you, David? How's your week been?
It's been long, but I had some small victories at work, so I feel satisfied. What about you, Jenny? Did anything interesting happen this week?
Oh, definitely. I had a project finally finish, which felt amazing. And on Thursday, I even got a surprise coffee from a colleague. Little things like that really brighten a week.
I totally agree. Those small moments make the stress melt away. And today, after work, we finally start our weekend adventure, relaxing, enjoying ourselves, and just letting the weekend slowly unfold. So Friday evening, the first moment after work is always magical for me. I usually take a longer walk home, letting my mind switch from work tasks to weekend thoughts.
Yes, I do the same. There's something about walking without a schedule or deadline that feels like freedom. I usually stop by the market to pick a small treat, maybe some fresh fruit or a pastry.
I love that. For me, it's usually a small snack, or even just stopping to enjoy the sunset if it's nice. Those 5 minutes of calm outside always feel like they belong only to me.
When I get home, I immediately change into something comfortable. Work clothes feel so stiff after a week. Friday evening clothes are all about softness, oversized shirts, sweatpants, and cozy socks.
Exactly. I sometimes joke that I only truly relax when I'm wearing my weekend clothes. It's amazing how much the right outfit can affect your mood.
Friday dinner for me is usually simple but indulgent. I like cooking something comforting, like pasta with a creamy sauce. Or sometimes I order sushi because it feels like a treat.
I get that. I usually order something too. Fridays for relaxing, not worrying about washing dishes or cooking complicated meals. I love ordering a pizza, or maybe something spicy, like a little celebration for surviving the week.
Exactly. And I love sitting at the table without thinking about deadlines, just savoring each bite. Sometimes I even eat slowly while listening to music or watching a short series episode.
Friday nights feel unhurried, don't they? Even if the day was stressful, the moment I sit down for dinner and breathe, everything feels lighter.
After dinner, I usually spend a couple of hours doing something calm, maybe reading, journaling, or just listening to a podcast. Nothing stressful, just mental unwinding.
Same here. I might play the guitar or scroll through pictures from past trips. It's amazing how little things can bring joy after a week of hard work.
Exactly. And sometimes I even fall asleep early because my body finally feels ready to rest. Friday nights are a gentle bridge to Saturday.
Saturday morning is one of my favorite moments. I wake up naturally, no alarms, and just lie in bed for a few minutes, enjoying the quiet.
I love that. There's something magical about Saturday mornings. Breakfast is always more deliberate. Eggs, toast, fresh fruit, and a strong coffee. I take my time, slowly sipping, enjoying every bite.
For me, it's similar, though I might make pancakes if I feel a bit indulgent. The key is that it's slower than weekdays. No rushing, no emails, just a calm start.
Exactly. And clothing changes completely too. Weekday work clothes are formal, tight, sometimes uncomfortable. Saturday clothes? Oversized shirts, soft pants, cozy socks, maybe sneakers for a walk later.
After breakfast, I usually go for a long walk or light workout. maybe stretching or yoga. It feels like I'm refreshing my body after sitting all week.
I love walking in the morning too. Sometimes I meet friends for coffee or I go to the park with headphones and music. It's simple, but feels like a gift to myself.
Sometimes I even combine errands with leisure, walk to the bookstore or a small market, just enjoying the rhythm of my own pace.
Yes, that's the weekend magic. Balance between doing what you enjoy and moving your body.
Saturday afternoons can go many ways. Sometimes I stay home, read a book, or play a game. Other times I meet friends or go out for a casual meal.
I do the same. The unpredictability is what makes it exciting. Maybe a last-minute hike or a visit to a friend, or sometimes just a nap. Saturday naps are sacred.
And snacks are part of that. Small sandwiches, fruits, or cookies while reading or watching a movie. Nothing rushed, nothing formal.
Saturday nights often feel more social than Friday. Sometimes I go out, sometimes I invite a friend over, or I just watch a long movie with good snacks.
Exactly. Saturday has that sense of possibility. You could go out, or you could stay home and still feel like it's an adventure.
Even staying in feels special because the whole day was yours to control without deadlines.
Sunday morning is slower than Saturday. I usually wake up naturally, then lie in bed thinking about nothing in particular, just enjoying the silence.
Breakfast is important for me on Sunday. I usually make bread, butter, fruit, maybe something sweet, and of course, coffee. I savor every bite because it's a pause before the new week.
I do the same, and Sunday clothes are even softer than Saturdays. Pajamas or cozy loungewear all day sometimes.
During the day, I might organize for the week, clean a little, or prepare meals. Sometimes I go out for a walk, just enjoying the calm atmosphere.
I also try to fit in light exercise, maybe stretching, yoga, or a short jog. I want to feel ready for Monday, but not tired, just energized.
Sunday afternoons are also for hobbies, maybe reading, listening to music, or working on a small creative project. Saturday nights often feel more social than Friday. Sometimes I go out, sometimes I invite a friend over, or I just watch a long movie with good snacks.
Sunday night has that mix of calm and anticipation. You enjoyed the weekend, but Monday is coming.
Exactly. I often prepare for the week, choose clothes, and try to go to bed early. It helps me feel ready and reduces stress.
I feel the same. It's reflective, calm, and a little bittersweet.
But overall, a peaceful feeling, a good ending to a weekend well spent.
Now it's your turn. How do you usually spend your weekends, from Friday after work to Sunday night? Try to describe it slowly, with details about food, clothes, walks, or hobbies. Even small things count.
Thank you for sharing this calm weekend moment with us.
If you liked this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends.
We'll see you soon for another Real English conversation with more tips, phrases, and daily life stories.
Bye for now, and enjoy the rest of your weekend.